Why you lying here? So I just ordered from Jet's Pizza, of course, Detroit style burners. It never has to, what am I supposed to say? Like, it never has to faltar. ¿Cómo se dice faltar?
Gotta always, pair it up.
Pair it up. Pair it up. Anyway, so I just got the Jet's Pizza. I got the all meat, shredded parm crust with some Cajun too. Let's take a look at this baby right here. Wow, you can really smell it. Oh yes. All right. So look. Well, we don't have the plates. We gotta go ghetto style. Look at this cheese, man. Yes. All right. So, of course, all meat. It has a hamburger, pepperoni, some Italian sausage, some bacon, all in one slice. So, before you eat this, there is a way to eat this. First of all, zoom in. Smell it. Kiss it. Because this is a whole nother level. And then the first bite. Mmm. Definitely very good. Crust, crunchy, Cajun, spicy, shredded parm, shredded. It's actually off the hook, guys. Whenever you come to Jet's Pizza, try out the all meat. Flavorize your crust however you want it. It's free. Come try out the Jet's Pizza, and of course, the Vernors. The Vernors never has to.
How much did you pay for the pizza?
I paid $20 for this pizza. Square, large, 10 slices. Off the hook, guys. Alright, this is Why You Lying here. I'll see you for the next review.